The next is paper chromatography. It is a separation technique where the separation is performed on a specialized paper. It is of two types based on two different principles. The first is of paper adsorption chromatography. It is based on varying degree of interactions between the molecules and the stationary phase. The molecules which is having high affinity remain adsorbed for a longer time, decreasing their speed of movement through the column. But the molecules with lower affinity move with a faster movement, thus allowing the molecules to be separated in different fractions. So this is the first type. The second type of paper chromatography is the paper partition chromatography. It is based on the principle that the moisture on the cellulose paper acts as a stationary phase for the molecules moving with the mobile phase. The separation of the molecules is thus based on how strongly they adsorb onto the stationary phase. An additional concept of retention factor is applied during the separation of molecules in the paper chromatography. The retention value for a molecule is determined as a ratio of distance travelled by the molecule to the distance travelled by the mobile phase. The retention value of different molecules can be used to differentiate those molecules. The diagram shown here. Know the things. The solvent is there. The solvent print. A paper is going to be there, and based on this, red is having 2 centimeter, and purple is 6 centimeter. Steps. The stationary phase is selected as a fine quality cellulose paper. Different combinations of organic and inorganic solvents are taken as a mobile phase. About 2 to 200 microliter of the sample solution is injected at the baseline of the paper and it is allowed to air dry. The sample loaded paper is then carefully dipped into the mobile phase, not more than the height of 1 centimeter. After the mobile phase reaches near the edge of the paper is taken out. The retention factor is calculated and the separated compounds are detected by different techniques. Uses of paper chromatography. It is used to detect the purity of various pharmaceutical products. It is also used to detect contamination in various samples like food and beverages. It is used for separation of impurities from various industrial products. And the analysis of the reaction mixtures in chemical labs is also conducted via paper chromatography.